When people talk about investing, they often mean investing in the stock market. This is like a marketplace where companies list their stock for sale. Stock represents ownership of a company, and it's split into units called shares. Not all businesses are on the stock market. Your local restaurant might be family-owned, a private company. But if you go to Domino's, your local takeaway is part of a big corporation that is a publicly traded company. That means that many people own a small part of Domino's, like a piece of the pizza. Selling shares can benefit both the company and the investors that buy them. The company uses the money to grow, building new factories, creating more jobs, or launching new products. The investor or shareholder has a share in how the company is doing. You could share in the success of a growing business and see the value of your shares rise. Or you could share in setbacks if the company struggles and the value of your shares falls. Shareholders can also earn money if the company pays out dividends, which is a share of the company's profits. But remember, success, growth, and returns in the stock market are not guaranteed. Even if we feel really confident in a company or an industry, there are certain factors outside our control, like a global pandemic. With all investments, you need to decide how much risk you want to take to grow your money.